of the Amazon forest. It is the largest tropical rainforest in the world. Covering over 2.7 million square miles in South America. The Amazon forest is a vast expanse of tropical rainforest that stretches across 9 countries in South America. It is a home to approximately 10% of the world known species of plants and animals. And plays a crucial role in regulating the Earth's climate and water cycle. The forest also supports the livelihood of millions of people, including indigenous communities, history, and culture for the Amazon. The Amazon has a rich cultural history dating back thousands of years. Indigenous communities have lived in the rainforest for generations and have developed unique customs and traditions. The Amazon is a home to an incredible array of plants and animal species, many of which are found nowhere else on Earth. The Amazon rainforest plays a crucial role in regulating the Earth's climate by absorbing and storing carbon dioxide, a greenhouse gas that contributes to climate change. The forest trees absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere through photosynthesis and store it in their wooden root. This process helps to mitigate the effects of climate change by reducing the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. However, deforestation and other human activities in the Amazon can release carbon dioxide into the atmosphere and contributing to climate change known as the global warming. more info, follow us on our next video at My Wild with Peterson. See you on the next video.